mounting rail using DXF format. We want to use a Simatic S7-300 mounting rail as a user-defined rail in Eplan. Let's download the relevant DXF file. After downloading the DXF file, proceed to import it into Eplan. To create a user-defined rail, go to Master Data, open the Outline command, select Outline Extrusion, click on New, and then define the file name and save location. Copy the DXF file and place it onto the outline workspace. Next, specify the mounting surface points and verify the outline for any boundary inconsistencies. Finally, exit the outline environment. After generating the outline, we assign it as a user-defined rail within the Part Manager, allowing it to be used in the 3D layout environment. In the 3D layout space, we create a mounting panel. Then, in the front view, we either use the user-defined rail icon or select the edited rail directly from the user-defined rail section in the Part Manager, and position it at the desired mounting location. Next, we place a component, such as a Siemens S7-300 digital output PLC module, onto the rail. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, follow the channel for more Eplan tips and tricks.